Hopefully everybody's good, everybody's great. It's on a fucking Tuesday. This is the new week started, and everything so far so good, and everything every day, all day, getting to learn um, from these chats, and of course getting to improve our confidence, getting to see wherever we're going wrong, and getting to improve ourselves in this trading journey. It ain't easy at all. Those who thinking it's fucking easy, it ain't fucking easy. We have struggles, and this is something I'm learning to endure, and it's my fucking passion, and I'm gonna make it in this thing. So without further ado, I'd like to go into these chats and fucking do whatever I'm thinking or I have been thinking throughout the fucking day. My chat is so fucking dirty, but hopefully you won't mind. And of course you'll bear with me as we get to see what really transpired over here. I want to see, currently we are the 40th minute of this 4-hour candle closure, but I've closed all my trades, and everything is good, and let's get cracking. So from the previous videos, before this video, I guess you can see what I was thinking and where I was aiming at, and because at the previous video I've discussed everything fully, and yeah, it's now a review of the trades where I did enter the trades. I took 2 trades today. One was a loss, and the second one was a winner. So I did get to break even with a little profit on top, and it's been a great day. Getting to not getting married into my buyers. Also, the same thing happened today, but the good thing from the previous mistake, I wasn't married at all. I wanted to read whatever the market is providing for me, and after reading that, I guess I did something right. I did things right, and I managed to get off these markets with demo profits, of course. So before, I would like to ask everybody, please hit that like button, and please smash the subscribe button so that whenever I'm live you may get to view my videos. So over here I'll go to the 3-hour time frame, because this is where we had some stuff. So as I was watching these time frame before the day started, I saw this 3-hour order block, and during London session I saw these order blocks. Was it real during London? No, previously I saw these candles respecting these order blocks. So after I'd seen them respecting this order block, then I had to determine where should my draw on liquidity be. So that's when I decided to be aiming for these highs above this swing high. So this was my draw on liquidity, right? This was my draw on liquidity above these fucking high. So we had this order block respected, and now I would drop lower, and in the 2-hour time frame I wanted to see something for my buyers, or for me to be bullish. I had to see something for the day. What did I want to see? I was also observing these 3-hour order block. You see the candles, the bodies of the candles were telling the story, but the wicks were doing the damage. So you can see the candles were closing and opening above the main threshold of this order block, but the wick did the damage by overlapping lower or running lower. Then I observed this 2-hour inversion fair value gap. So for me to be bullish today, I wanted to see this 2-hour fair value gap, a candle close above it, and I was watching these 3 a.m. candle, and fortunately it did close above. So now my bullish buyers was set in, and inside the 1-hour order 1-hour time frame, what I saw this candle close, then I had a retracement lower. I guess this was what ICT calls time distortion before I guess macros or the algo rallies to wherever it's supposed to be rallying to. So I had this drop lower because we have no fair value gap here. We have these these 2-hour inversion fair value gap. It respected the 2-hour fair value gap. As you can see over here, we had this body respect. See, we have these two bodies respect the 2-hour fair value gap by closing above the constant encroachment. Okay, the constant encroachment of this 2-hour inversion fair value gap, from which I saw this candle rally higher. With my buy side, I was targeting these because my buyers, I wanted to see a price rally, clear this buy side liquidity, maybe tap into this daily week constant encroachment, then rally lower. But I wasn't married to that, and something happened that made me to change my buyers, through which I changed my buyers to bullishness. So in the 30 minutes time frame, what I was seeing is we had this order block here, this down close candle inside this bull market. We had this retracement lower, so the 2-hour inversion fair value gap was being respected, as well as the 30 minutes order block, because the candles also were closing above the mean threshold of this down close candle that I refer to as an order block. Then we had this change in state of delivery. This candle closed above these down close candles, so this is inside here we have a change in state of delivery to bullish, for bullishness. So rating of this 2-hour fair value gap, but I guess it wasn't my duration to trade, so I chilled. And then now because I was observing everything before it didn't happen before my trading hours, so again over here you can see the bodies closed below inside the 15 minutes. Then we had this rally higher, and that created a 30 minutes change in state of delivery. Then we have this fair value gap we were tapped into. Then we saw during New York Open, during New York session, I saw this displacement higher with a down close candle, which for me was a order block. So my entry was at this order block high. Then later on we had this displacement higher, by the candle opened, rallied higher, then dropped lower, creating a fair value gap that was paired with this order block. So as it was rallying lower, I put my buy limit there, targeting a 1 to 2, which was hit later on. So after saying that, I wanted to see retracement slower, and really today wasn't in a hurry, something I should be really embracing. I wasn't at all in a hurry, so I wanted to see confirmations for me to go lower. So at this point I saw this, because you can remember I was bullish. Then after this daily week was hit, then I was looking for sales, and I saw these retracements down to close below this 15 minutes fair value gap. Then it hit. I wanted to see it close below this order block, but that didn't happen. What it did, it tapped into it, then we rallied higher. So I retraced back to the higher time frames, to the 4-hour time frame, and what I wanted to see, we had a large wick. I saw a 4-hour large wick over here, this candle. So I wanted to see how the 4-hour wick constant encroachment, how price will react onto it. So into the 1-hour time frame, inside that inside the 4-hour wick constant encroachment, over here I saw this candle close above, right? So this candle was closing above, but I was observing the 30 and 15 minutes. Yeah, I saw this candle rally higher and higher, close above this 4-hour constant encroachment, also closing above these highs. That's when I retraced to the higher time frames and see what was really driving the markets higher, because I hadn't notified these other VDRAs Holy shit, my Wi-Fi connection is off. Sorry guys. Yeah, we connected. So inside the 3, I wanted to see why is really price rallying higher. Why is it rallying above the 4-hour constant week constant encroachment? So it was a concern for me. It made me go back. Holy shit, why is this Wi-Fi failing me? Yeah, come on guys, come on Wi-Fi. What's up, brother? What's up, brother Wi-Fi? Come on, man. Come on, brother. Brother Wi-Fi, what's up? Let me retreat to a place where I usually stand, because I usually record my videos outside my house because there's some sound disturbance. I'm with somebody inside my house. He likes watching news, so during his news time I like to record these videos, so that's why I'm always out. Yeah, so let's continue. First sign in. Come on please, come on please. This is a raw video. So nothing will be editing. But you can forward for a few seconds, then come on dear Wi-Fi. So for some good today was good because I really did follow my rules. I was with my journal in hand. I guess if you watch the live stream, or because I was trading live, I was updating my journal. I was also trying to see whatever price is presenting before me, not what I'm thinking price should be doing. So I was really keen on that for today. Followed my trading plan and everything went as everything went good, fine. So since we connected, let's go back. So after I'd seen that a candle close, or a candle was rallying above this 4-hour week constant encroachment, yeah, that one. So I was curious, why is that the market is rallying higher? So I wanted to know, so I dropped to the higher time frames. In the 4-hour time frame, I didn't see anything. Drop lower into the 3-hour time frame. That's when I spotted these 3-hour fair value gap, which was a fair value gap. But later on, I also was watching, because this candle, I guess it closed at around 10, 8 to 9, 9 to 10, 10 to 11. Yeah, I was watching it, but the 1 hour closed above it, so meaning I changed this to an inversion fair value gap. It was to support prices higher. So after I spotted that, I saw why price was retracing higher. Also, it was paired with a 2-hour fair value gap also, and I don't know why my network is too low. My Wi-Fi is not strong. You can see this fair value gap here. So I saw these as the draw on liquidity, why the market was retracing higher, because we know only two things drive the market: liquidity and imbalances. So when I saw this candle close above these 3-hour fair value gap, I was like, nah, I change my bias now to bullishness, because if I was bear, I wanted to see a candle close below the constant encroachment of these 3-hour fair value gap, right? But it closed above, so my bias changed from bearish to bullish. So I was watching this next other candle, and since I was bullish and I wanted to see this 3-hour fair value gap act as support higher, so I wanted to see price retrace into this 3-hour fair value gap. More specifically, I spotted this 15-minute fair value gap. So I wanted to see, after I saw this retracement lower, then I was looking for buys. So I would drop lower to the 5-minute time frame, and what I did observe was I saw drop lower further into the 3-minute time frame, and what I spotted was this fair value gap. I was watching it to see if a candle closes above it, and when I retraced to the 5 minutes time frame, the fair value gap, the 3 minutes fair value gap, I guess was paired with the 5 minutes fair value gap also. The constant, it was around the constant encroachment of these 5 minutes fair value gap from this low to this candle's high. So the constant encroachment was at around this zone. So immediately I saw this candle close above the constant encroachment and also closing above this 3-hour fair value gap. Then I did enter my trade on a 1 minute time frame. It was a retracement back to another block. Over here, so yeah, I was seeing this order block because it has closed above, and we had this displacement. Once I was seeing this displacement lower, I did enter my trade there, and my targets were, of course, as you've seen from my thumbnail. Please come on, man. As you've seen from my thumbnail, I was taking some 100 off above this high where I've said partials, and I trade my stop loss. So my entry was at around this zone. Then I took 100 because volume of 200, I traded a volume of 200. I took out 100 here and trailed my stop loss to profits. Then before hitting my stop loss, I saw this retracement, and one thing that made me that I was taken out around this zone because I had placed my stop around the constant encroachment, but I didn't wait my stop loss to be hit. But I had seen this order block being violated inside the 5 minutes, whereby this candle tapped into it. Then I saw a close. This candle was closing below this order block, so I decided to take my other remaining profits around this zone. Then we can see the market has retraced back to break even, but we ain't in this trade. So that is it, and that's the thing. That's how I did interpret price today. Everything rallied good. So until next time, guys, bye.